Number 61. If f is 1 to 1, find the equation of its inverse. Well, f of x is the cube root of x plus 2. We need to determine if it's 1 to 1 first. So let's plot some points here. Let x be 6. F of 6 is the cube root of 6 plus 2, which is the cube root of 8, which is 2. So my first point can be 6 comma 2. Now we'll let x be negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. The cube root of 1 is 1. So when x is negative 1, y is 1. We'll let x be negative 2. You have negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Cube root of 0 is 0. So we have negative 2 comma 0. Let x be negative 3. Negative 3 plus 2 is a negative 1. The cube root of negative 1 is negative 1. So when x is negative 3, y is going to be negative 1. And let x be negative 10. Negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. The cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. So when x is negative 10, y is negative 2. Now we'll plot some of these points. Start off with 6, 2. We're going 2, 4, 6. We're counting by 2 on the x-axis. 2, 4, 6. We're going to go up to 2. Put a dot right there. Next one, negative 1. We're going to go 1 to the left and up 1. Okay. We're going to go 2 to the left, 2 to the left, and then go to 0. All right. We're going to go 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3, and down to 1. We'll go 10 to the left, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and go down to 2. All right, now let's draw a curve through these points. Now, if f of x is 1 to 1, we can use our horizontal line test, not the vertical line test. The vertical line test would tell if it's a function or not. When you do the horizontal line test, we'll draw a horizontal line anywhere we want to. Okay? If it only hits at one spot, then this is 1 to 1. So we would say that this is a 1 to 1 function. Now let's find the inverse of it then. To find the inverse, we're going to substitute x in for the y and y in for an x. So you're going to end up with x equals the cube root of y plus 2. You put an x in for that y and a y in for the x, and this is what you end up with. Now when you cube both sides of the equation, you'll end up cubing this. You'll get x cubed. On the right side, you have the cube root of y plus 2 cubed. That's just y plus 2. Now we'll subtract 2 from both sides in order to solve for y, and therefore y will equal x cubed minus 2. All right? This is the inverse of f of x.